My name is Hella Dragoi. I am a yoga teacher, Doterra wellness advocate, and someone who helps others reconnect to themselves through breath, movement, stillness, and essential oils. Since closing my yoga studio, I've been working one-on-one with clients at a mental health office, guiding them with personalized yoga, meditation, and aromatherapy to help regulate the nervous system and feel more grounded and safe in their body. This season of my life is about rebuilding from the inside out, and I'm very excited that this June, Doterra has put together some of my favorite tools to help you do the same. So here is what's available this month, and I promise you are going to love it. So when you place a loyalty order, it's called LRP, of 125 point value or more between June 1 and 15, or purchase any of the Doterra Foundational Wellness Bundle anytime in June, you will receive a free 5 ml of frankincense essential oil. It's a $58 value. It's a wonderful gift. How I use this essential oil and why am I so excited? It's because I like to add 2 drops of frankincense under my tongue every morning. It is one of the simplest things I do to support brain health, focus, and emotional clarity. It also plays a huge role in how I support my clients, whether it is for grounding during anxiety, deepening meditation, or releasing emotional stress. This month, frankincense is really being celebrated, and it is for a very good reason. If you are someone who prefers a simple, soothing, topical ritual, you will love the Frankincense Stick with Naio Wood, which is 10% off this month. This gentle, easy-to-use stick blends frankincense with Naio Wood essential oil, rich in alpha-bisabolol. It's a compound known for restoring skin, soothing irritation, and supporting emotional balance. But for me, it is more than that. If you're someone who prefers a topical ritual, you are going to love the Frankincense Stick with Naio Wood, which is 10% off all this month. This stick blends frankincense with Naio Wood rich in alpha-bisabolol, known for its restorative benefits. And it is one of my go-to tools for emotional support and skin health. And I want to share something with you, because this oil isn't just a product, it's part of someone's healing story. So one of my clients had developed a habit of pricking her skin whenever she felt anxious. It was her way of coping when things felt overwhelming. So one day I handed her a frankincense stick and said, when you feel that urge comes up, try rubbing this on your skin instead. So let's see what happens if you can develop this new ritual. So she went home, so she started using it, and over time, not only did she stop hurting herself, her skin began to heal. Her scars faded, and she began to feel something she hadn't in a long time: love for her own body. And this is what she told me, and she said, Hella, I don't want to hurt my skin anymore. I want to care for it. That's the power of a simple ritual. That's the power of oils that supports not just the skin, but the soul. That's what this oil became for her: a moment of reconnection, self-compassion. And that's the kind of support we all deserve: gentle, grounding, and emotionally safe. Stories like hers remind me why I do this work and why am I so intentional about the tools I share with you. If you are looking for other ways to create calm, clarity, or connection in your daily life, there are some amazing offerings this month that can support that. So let me walk you through that. The Endless Summer Bundle is also available this month. It comes with a brand new Endless Summer brand. It's a sweet, citrusy, uplifting scent, very yummy, and the Aroma Diffuser, which is sleek, portable, and perfect for creating a light and calm space in your home or studio. Another favorite, especially for Father's Day, is the Woodland Trio with Magnetic Car Diffuser. It includes Costa Brio, Midnight Forest, Northern Escape. These grounding, forest-inspired blends are beautiful for emotional support, clear focus, and bringing a bit of nature into your car or office. And finally, I'm thrilled that the Malama blend is back, a heart-centered, nurturing oil that is so helpful for those in healing, caretaking, or transition. So this month is about grounding, realigning, and choosing practices that support you, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually too. I have created a free frankincense meditation series for you. 3 short practices to help you feel more connected, clear, and supported from within. Click below to place your order, grab your free frankincense, and access the meditations, whether you are starting a new wellness rhythm or deepening the one you already have. I'm here for it. Let's walk this season with more intention, more support, and more light. See you inside.